I'm going to do one example and then you can have a go after. Here, make x the subject. So hang on. So make x a subject here. Visualize this as, okay, you've got a bubble in here, and x is everywhere in here, really. So the first thing to do is to get rid of this square root here. So hang on. So visualize it as this. At the moment, you've got a balance here. So you've got y squared here on this side, and then you've got square root blah 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 in here. Okay, this is what you've got at the moment. So what you do, because you know x is stuck in here, x is stuck in this bubble here. Let's tidy up. Let's tidy up this bubble here. So get rid of this ugly square root. So to get we know about we know to get rid of the square root, we would square both sides. That means get this thing times by itself. So over here it would be this y squared. You're timesing it by itself. Hang on. So on this side it would be this blah 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 in here. Okay. Well, the right hand side would just be what's in the bubble, which is x minus 3c squared over 4a to the power 3 minus x. Okay. On the right hand side it's this times this, which is y to the power 4. Okay. So now visualize as this. You've got one bubble dividing it by this bubble. At the moment it's two layers at the moment. So let's get rid of the bottom bubble here. So times that bubble to both sides. So it would be this y to the power 4 bracket 4a to the power 3 minus x. Close it. Okay, and on the right hand side it remains the same. Now let's break this up, because we're trying to make x as the subject, but x is stuck in this big bubble here, because at the moment you've got a bubble here multiplying out this bubble here, but x is stuck in this big bubble. Let's multiply out the whole thing just to break up the bubble. So it will be so this times this, it will be 4a to the power 3 y to the power 4, and then this times this, it would be minus y to the power 4 x. Okay, and on this side it would be x minus 3 blah 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 whatever. And now visualize it as this. You've got one block, take away this block here, equals this, take away this. You want to get x on its own. So get all the x's on one side. Let's add this to both sides, because at the moment it's negative. So let's add 4 y to the power 4 x over to both sides. So add this block to both sides. Okay. So it would be this 4a to the power 3 y to the power 4. This side would be this c squared. Add 4 y to the power 4x. Okay. Now this is what you've got. This block, take away this block, equals up plus this block. Now x, good, bad. So add this block to both sides. Okay. So add 3c squared to both sides. So it would be this 4a to the power 3 y to the power 4. Add 3c squared equals this plus y to the power 4x. Okay, and now you want to get x on its own. So factorize the x. Remember, you've got to stick the 1 in here. Okay, plus y to the power 4. So it would be that, because yeah. So factorize this, and on this side you will have this to the power 4 plus 3c squared. And now at the moment you've got this multiplying by this. So divide both sides by this. So it will be 2a to the power 3 y to the power 4 plus 3c squared divided by 1 plus y to the power 4 equals x. Okay, so now you're done. Now it's your turn. Hang on. Okay, so make x the subject. Yeah, so visualize it as this. At the moment, you've got this thing here equaling this thing here. So visualize it as this. Okay, so you've got this thing here equaling this thing here. Now, your x is stuck in this thing here. So get rid of the square root. So you got to square both sides. Okay, so what squaring means is you get what you've got and then times by itself. So on this side it will be this thing here, and then on this side it would be this. It would be this 3y. So because you're getting itself, so you're getting whatever you've got and then timesing by itself. Well, anyway, do whatever you want here. Hang on, let me tidy this up. So this is what you've got at the moment. Make x the subject. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, we are going to visualize we are going to visualize this as this, and then this thing here as this. Okay, so we're going to times by itself. So anyway, so from here we're going to have this. We're going to have 3. So we've got this 3y squared equals hang on, root x, hang on, x minus, what is it, minus 2, I'm just copying it down, so bear with me, 4b squared minus x. Okay, at the moment we've got this. Okay, so we are going to square both sides. So it would be this y squared times by itself on this side, and on the right hand side, well, the square root sign goes. So it will be this 4b squared minus x. Hang on, let me just double check something. Yep, that's right. Okay, so now number times with number, so that would be 9, and then the y squared times with the y squared, y to the power 4. Yeah, remember, we're not doing anything, we're just tidying up this thing over on this side. So this would be this over 4b squared minus x. Now visualize it as one bubble dividing by another bubble. 2 layers at the moment, so let's times both sides by the bottom layer. So you will have this y to the power 4 bracket 4b squared minus x close bracket equals x minus 2a to the power 3. So now keep an eye on x. X exists here and inside this bubble here. So let's multiply this out. So this would be 9 times 4 would be 36. B squared y to the power 4. And then now this times this. So it will be minus 9 y to the power 4 x equals x minus 2a to the power 3. So now visualize it as this. You've got one block, take away this block, equals this block, take away this block here. Keep an eye on x. X exists here and here. So let's move this one across. Okay, so we're going to add this block to both sides. So add 9y to the power 4x to both sides. It would be this b squared y to the power 4, and then this will be x minus 2a to the power 3 plus 9y to the power 4x. And now visualize it as this. Take away this plus this. x is here and here. We don't need this. This is rubbish. Take it to the other side. So we're going to add 2a to the power 3 to both sides. So it will be this, b squared y to the power 4, add 2a to the power 3. On this side it will be this, plus blah, blah, and blah. Okay? And now you're trying to make x a subject, and x is here and here. So factorize. Okay? Well, when you factorize, you're only going to get 1x. Well, anyway, just factorize. So it will be this. Okay? And on this side, it will remain the same. 3, 6, b squared y to the power 4 plus 2a to the power 3. Now divide both sides by the brackets. So on this side, it will be x. And on this side, it will be 3, 6b squared y to the power 4 plus 2a blah 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 over 1 plus 9y to the power 4. So, ta-da! Okay? You're done.